penny counter.
It's finished.
It's finished.
Good job.
We did it!
When we first bought our house, we had this cabinet that we wanted to pop open so that we could see through from the kitchen to the living room. We had a giant jar of coins that we'd been saving up, and we were feeling really inspired by some DIY penny projects we'd seen online. During the demo phase, we came across these copper pipes in the wall. Put a pin in that for later. We knocked out the horsehair plaster, and after removing about a ton of material, we had a nice clear area to begin constructing our new penny counter. Here we are cleaning up and then painting the interior in preparation for new sheetrock. We started with some schematics and then made a cardboard template to scale. Using that template as a guide, we cut it out of birch plywood. We constructed a supporting frame and did a test installation to confirm it would fit. We realized the pennies wouldn't stand out on the wood, so we stained it black to make sure that they would really pop. Once we separated out all our coins, we realized we were going to need more pennies. 5,000 pennies. In deciding what to do along the edge, we decided to try folding some pennies over. Fun fact, pennies made prior to 1982 are predominantly copper, which makes them more malleable than modern pennies, which are mostly made of zinc. So all of the edge pennies are from 1982 or earlier. We added a quick coat of paint to clean things up before we moved on to the next step. We had a random assortment of coins that held some sentimental value, so we decided to work them in as a focal point in the center of the penny counter. After gluing all of the pennies down, it was time for the scariest part, adding the first coat of epoxy. Using a heat gun ensures that we get out all the bubbles, so that when it cures, you end up with a smooth, shiny surface. We were shocked to find out afterwards what Morgan dollars are worth, but luckily ours wasn't in great condition. Next, it was time to deal with the cabinet doors. We based the height of the entire project on the halfway point of those doors. We decided to use this decorative metal screen to give the doors a nice, finished look. We added these lights to illuminate the interior of the cabinet. Here's Jesse using his shop for the very first time to cut molding and trim around the new opening. We stained the pieces of wood to match the existing molding in the house. Remember that copper pipe from earlier? We used it to make this unique light fixture. We'll make a separate video on that soon. That's pretty much the entire project. Thanks again for checking in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks! That could have turned out badly.